Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a burpee day. Burpee or squat thrust is a full body workout. It's a combination of squat, push up, and plank. And it works pretty much every part of your body, your back, your shoulders, your arms, your chest, your abs, your hips, your legs, your feet. So it's like bowling, hitting a lot of pins in one go. So if there is one workout you just want to do to burn that calories, burpee should be your thing. And there are two kinds of burpees, the 4 count and 6 count burpees. On this video, I'll be showing you how to do both. So make sure you are warm up, do a little bit of walking, a little bit of running, a little bit of stretching before doing this workout. So get ready, tara, workout tayo.
Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. How to do 4 count burpee. Step 1. Start in standing position with feet shoulder length apart. Step 2. Move down to squat position with hands on the floor. Step 3. Kick feet back to plank position. And step 4. Return to start position and repeat. And that's how you do the 4 count burpee. How to do 6 count burpee. Step 1. Start in standing position with feet shoulder length apart. Step 2. Move down to squat position with hands on the floor. Step 3. Kick feet back to plank position. Step 4. Lower yourself down. Step 5. Push yourself up. And step 6. Return to start position and repeat. And that's how you do the 6 count burpee.
So that's about it. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment down below, or you can send me a private message through my Facebook or Instagram. Feel free to like and share this video, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Till the next video. Bye.